Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl VanessaK7, and I'm back with another video. I'm so excited. So basically reviewing the Fenty blushes. I'm a blush girl. Like I love and I live for blush. Blush is a bit of me. It always has been a bit of me. I've never like done my makeup and thought I don't want to wear blush. Like it just brings so much colour and warmth to my face. I am not wearing any blush now, funny enough. It looks like I am, but I think it's just my contour, which is weird. I got three blushes, and this is not sponsored. I'm not on PR for Fenty. Yeah. I know you're probably thinking, girl, we need to see all the shades on you. What is going on, Vanessa? Like, I'm not going to sit here and pretend like I could afford all 10 blushes. They are £19 each. I could only afford 3, so I picked the most suitable for my skin colour and the most colour that stood out to me that I would actually legit wear. The only difference in all of them is just the shade. So if you guys look at this review and you find that you do like the formula and the way it works on me, then of course you can go for, well, the shades you want, but it's just unfortunate that I couldn't. This is what it looks like, and I won't sit here and pretend like I'm happy, but I feel like, why is it kind of small? Like, it's like, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like the blush is kind of small. The MAC blush is roughly the same price, and the reason why I'm mentioning the MAC blush is because that is my go-to blush. If you guys haven't seen all my makeup videos, you will, there's not one time I have used any other blush apart from Raisin from MAC. I felt like it could have been, in terms of, I don't know if it's a width, but yeah, it could have been a tiny bit bigger, like for £19, but never mind. Summertime one. They all come with mirrors, which not a lot of blushes do, so maybe that's why the price and stuff, the packaging's pretty expensive. Crushin on Cupid. So that's what Crushin on Cupid looks like, which is more pink. This is so cute. This is the first one I picked out, to be honest. I love Crushin on Cupid. Last but not least, I got Strawberry Drip. Oh my god, that's really neon-y, orangey kind of pinky though. I have never tried cream blushes, so this is a new experience for me, guys. Let's hit the like button, shall we? I wish I had nails for this, because now I've just drawn so much attention to my hands, which I hate. This is oh, this is creamy. Shall I swatch it for you guys quickly? Guys, I feel like this is pretty. Can I use the reason why I don't want to use a fluffy brush is because I feel like brushes like this is for powder, so it's just I'm just gonna waste the cream on this type of brush here, so I have to use my stiffle brush, my flat brush, which is more like for foundation and cream. So let me also try it, but with the finger it works. I'm just trying it with both. What do you guys think? Tell me what you guys think in the comments, because oh, this is so pretty, and it reminds me exactly of Raisin, the MAC blush. It is really nice. The foundation I'm wearing right now is radiant. It's radiant, it's not even matte, so I just feel like it works. I wouldn't complain that it's giving me this sort of glow. It's giving me, this is very cute. This is very nice. Guys, give it up for Summertime Wine. Cheeks Out Fenty Cream Blush. Give it up for Fenty Summertime Wine Cream Blush on the cheeks. The least favourite part of this whole video is wiping it off. It has to be done. Or this is what I have to do for the likes. Ooh, daring. This is pink, very pink. This is the pinkest type of blush I've ever gone for, so it's crazy. But yeah, let's do it. feel like I have to use a stippling motion with my fingers, because if I do that, it is going to take my makeup off, and I'd hate that. I'd hate to be going out, putting on cream blush, and it just took half my makeup off. But hey, I think it's because it's slightly lighter. I feel like it's still, I feel like it's, even though it's light in the packaging, I feel like when I apply it, it does dim and down a lot, so I have to use quite a lot of it. I've just really gone overboard here. I have gone really overboard here. Like, I've definitely oh child, no one comes because I know this. I look like a clown. I would not wear this amount of blush outside, no matter how much I love blush. This ain't it, sis. I can't take myself seriously. I've literally put too much blush, guys. You really have to work. I was like, yeah, you sure? Nobody. Don't take the piss, Vanessa. You've done yourself a favour here. Yeah, that's Crushin on Cupid. Very rosy. I think it's almost the same as Summertime wine, but I guess we'll never know. This is the last blush I actually chose because, again, it looked like something I would wear. My swatches are so bad. Okay. This is the. I need to work it. I think I need to work it more with my stippling brush, guys, because I think you guys are seeing some harsh lines. But that's because I've been wiping off the makeup. Like, blushes is like the hardest thing to swatch, because then you just have to remove half your makeup and then everything just looks like harsh and stuff. But I'll try and blend it in for you guys so you guys won't judge me too much, hopefully. Strawberry drop. Half of these colours that look really mad in the packaging and you think, oh, it screams dramatic, it screams bright, it screams crazy, when you actually apply it, it works. Like, I honestly genuinely thought that this was gonna be a bright, powdery, clown looking gimme cheek, squirrel cheek vibe. On the site there are even more colours that I wanted to try out, especially there was Bikini Martini. I don't know why I said it like that. There's Bikini Martini, which was just a candy bubblegum pink that I really wanted to try, but when I saw the picture I thought this is too bright. If there's one more shade I need to try, it's that, because it's creamy, you can work with it. Whereas if I saw this shade as a powder blush, I would stay away from it, because I know powder is quite direct and powder is what you see is what you get, sort of thing. I have not even put highlighter on my cheeks, child. I need to put some highlighter on my cheeks. I'm also proud of myself because I've only just started recently buying Fenty products. Like, I am even embarrassed to say that I have not found my Fenty foundation shade yet. Like, you would think someone of my Collabs, or however you pronounce that word, would have tried the Fenty foundation, and I haven't. So shame on me. But I'm getting there with the Fenty products because, again, we're supporting black girls, we're supporting black businesses. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. You guys already know the spiel. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.